Hello everybody, this is Abraham with No Short Computer Services, and what we got here is an iPhone 7 that would not charge. Don't know what's wrong with it yet, but let's look around. We have the OEM Apple cable, and I'm gonna try and plug it in. One thing we see right away is it does not go in all the way, and it doesn't click, which means there is a problem with the port. And looking on the inside, we can see, it's probably hard to see here, but there's something jammed in there. Carrying a phone in your pocket, there may be something in your pocket that could have gotten placed here, and bringing it home, trying to plug it into charge, you actually set the piece of debris right in there. We have to be careful because the contacts that make connection to this port are also in there. At first, let's see if we can get it out. If we can't get it out, or if we damage the contacts, we're going to have to replace the port. So first, let's see if we can get that gunk out of there. And you gotta be really careful not to touch the contacts. So to be careful, you gotta use fairly small pick tool or a needle. There's something in there, and I can feel the contacts. Wow. Something is definitely, wow. What also happens, and I've seen it happen, um, I don't think it's a case here, where the actual connector, charge connector, gets broken off and piece of it is left in the hole. Yeah, I got it right here. I had to work on this one. This one was fun. You can see right here. This thing broke off inside of the iPhone or iPad, I don't remember. We'll pull it out. This is the piece. The connector survived, but this thing was jammed in there. On top of it, the person who owned it has seen something on YouTube or on the internet, I don't know where, that you can put a glue, like a super glue, and pull it out. Well, I don't think this one was it. No, this one didn't have a super glue. But pulling it out was quite an interesting task. So what I ended up doing is I drilled a small hole and I put a screw in there, tapped the screw in the small hole, just like that. Oops. And I was able to pull it out. Hopefully, if somebody needs this kind of solution, there you go. You can use it free. All right, let's get back to our problem at hand. Something has jammed in there. Wow. Okay. Oh. What the hell is this? It is something soft. Looks like a piece of paper. Well, that's clean now. Yep. Click. It goes in all the way. All right. Let's see if it's going to charge now. I bet you that was the problem. This is another thing I wanted to share. There is an adapter for micro USB to, I believe, Lightning. And poof. I can see the battery. I'm using the battery here, showing that it's charging it. Don't see anything on iPhone yet. I can also use this. Phone hasn't been used in a long time because the person didn't know why it wouldn't charge. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I can see a faint. Let me turn off the light. There is the battery right there. So it's got to get a little bit of charge in, and then it'll work. So okay, hopefully this helps somebody solve a problem. For this problem, you need a nice dental pick or just a needle. Needle is hard to hold. Regular pick, it doesn't have this nice long thin catch, so to speak. Dental picks in my profession are very, very useful tools. I love them. You can also fix your teeth. Alright, give me likes if you like it, if it solves somebody's problem, if it helps somebody save money, go ahead, save, subscribe, enjoy. Talk to you later.